Let's unbox Cordless Reciprocating Saw bare unit only. User Manual. Saw blade. How to assemble this power tool. Insert the reciprocating saw blade and lock it in place. Attach the Powerhouse battery pack securely. Adjust the tool to your most comfortable position before starting the work. Now the reciprocating saw is ready for use. This is a versatile tool used for various applications. You can use this for light demolition, cutting wooden conduit, plumbing, and pipes installation.